Meaning of ergative.
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 Ergative. The term ergative refers to a grammatical concept in which a noun or pronoun, typically the subject of an intransitive verb, is treated differently from the subject of a transitive verb. In ergative languages, the subject of a transitive verb takes the same form as the object, whereas the subject of an intransitive verb is marked differently. This results in a unique sentence structure that distinguishes between agentive and non-agentive subjects. Ergativity can be found in various languages around the world, including Basque, Georgian, and Mayan languages.